All right. This technical issue always happens with me, and I don't know why. The network is so proper still. I don't know, something just did not work out. So, guys, today I'm going to be the host, and I'm going to have this opportunity to interact with one of the top 31 finalists of VLCC Femina Miss India 2020, co-powered by Sephora and Reposo. I think with every single year, the title is just getting bigger and better. And before we begin, I want to congratulate each one of the top 31 finalists for having made it so far. I know it's been a tough year. We all have gone digital, and it's really very new for you, for me, for the organization. But the organization has made sure that every single girl gets to put the best foot forward and gets to represent her best self. So I must say that I'm really very proud of you girls for doing what you've been doing. I've been following each one of you all, and I'm really very proud. So today I'm going to have Rupali Bhushan with me. She is VLCC Femina Miss India Jharkhand 2020. And let's just go ahead and have a fun conversation with her. I really hope that I'm not echoing right now and that you guys can see me properly. If anything is not working out, then just let me know, whether it's my voice or the video, just let me know. Alright, so I'm going to send in a join request to Rupali, and we shall begin with the fun conversation and get to know her better. Alright, I'm waiting for Rupali to join in. And whatever questions that you guys have, just go ahead. Hi Rupali.
Hello,
Now I can
ma'am.
see you properly. Oh my god.
Finally.
Finally. Can you
Ma'am,
hear my voice though? Am I not echoing anymore?
no, ma'am. Your voice is proper. Your voice is clear.
Thank you. I'm so glad. This technical issue always happens with me, trust me. Rupali, before we
Exactly.
start, I just want to ask you, has anyone ever told you that you resemble Bipasha Basu?
Yes, ma'am. I have heard this many times.
Of course, you do look like her, and you are so pretty with those dimples, I must say. Now I've gotten to see you properly, so I can say all these things to you.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am.
All
Even you
right.
look very pretty.
Thank you.
I
All right.
always look up to you.
Oh, that's really sweet of you. All right, everybody. So where were we? I asked you about getting into top 15 and top 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I want to know about your dream. What's your dream? What is your ambition? What do you want to become?
Yeah. So my journey started after Manushi Schiller became Miss World. Before that, I was never into never into this field. Like, I never thought that I will enter Bollywood, sorry, I will enter glamour industry, I will enter Miss India. But when Manushi Schiller became Miss World, then that calling, I realized my inner calling, that yes, I also want to become a Miss World. I also want to do something like this. So after that, I started preparing for Miss India, and then everything fall on place.
That's so sweet. I think I've met a lot of girls who have told this to me. Even in our batch, for that matter, there were quite a few girls who told me that the journey started after Manushi won Miss World and after she made us all
Exactly.
proud. So it's really very, it's a moment of pride for all of us that she made it that far, and she has inspired
Yes,
so
ma'am.
many girls out there to, even step into this world of pageantry. So it's
Exact.
really something to
Manushi
be
Schiller's
proud of.
victory has made a benchmark, and
Of course.
after her victory, a lot of girls started to dreaming of becoming a Miss World.
Of
So
course, of
yes,
course.
Manushi Schiller has turned the stones.
Right, right. So, Rupali, have you ever traveled to Bombay? I want to know.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Last
so,
year in January.
that's so cool. So, are you excited to come here if you make it to top 15?
I'm super excited and thrilled. And I really want to come to Mumbai because we are experiencing this online. We are not going to see the on ground pageant. So I
Right.
really want to live the feeling. I really want to experience the on ground work, the live pageant.
So, do you think this digital pageant has helped you? And do you feel like, no, I have missed out on a lot of, fun or a lot of learning, which would have happened otherwise?
सो मैम मेरा ये मानना है कि हमें हमारे साथ अभी हो रहा है और जो भी चल रहा है, जो हमें मिल रहा है, हमें उसी में अपना बेस्ट ढूंढना होता है और अपना बेस्ट देना होता है। हमें हमेशा वैसे ही करना चाहिए। तो जो हमारे पास है नहीं उसके बारे में सोचकर तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते। जो है उसी में अपना बेस्ट हमें करना चाहिए। तो अभी ये जो डिजिटल पैजेंट है ये भी एक तरीके से बहुत ही अच्छा है। डिजिटल पैजेंट ने बहुत सारे रास्ते खोले हमारे लिए। अगर ये जैसे कि मैं बताती हूँ, प्रोज और कॉन्स तो हर चीज में होते हैं। तो मैं प्रोज बताती हूँ। जैसे अगर ये ऑफलाइन होता तो सारे कैमरा एंगल्स, फ्रेम्स एंड ऑल ये सब हमें देखने को समझने को नहीं मिलता। तो अभी हम लोग ये सब कर रहे हैं। वी आर आवर ओन कैमरामैन, वी आर आवर ओन मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, सो वी आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग ऑन आवर ओन। So it really made us independent. So it's a very big plus point of this online pageant.
Right. So, मुझे पता है कि आपके mentors हैं बहुत सारे. There's Neha ma'am, there's Dia ma'am. So, what has that experience been like for you?
Oh, so after getting into top 15, we'll have the chance to get trained under Neha ma'am. So till now, we are having lots of master classes and sessions and all of that. So yes, I'm getting to learn a lot.
How
And
sweet.
I'm really waiting to meet Neha ma'am and every team member in person.
Of course, I really hope that you do get to meet them because it's a big learning experience to get mentored
Yes,
by,
ma'am.
so many mentors who have made such a big remark in the industry. So it's a
Yes, ma'am.
very different learning kind of an experience. So I really hope that you get to experience that, and all my
Yes,
best
ma'am.
wishes are for you. So,
Oh, thank you so much.
so, Rupali, I want to know that, say, for instance, you don't make it to top 15. Are you going to feel disheartened, or do you feel like you have learned a lot? And what is it that you're going to feel like?
ओके सो टॉप 15 में सेलेक्ट होना तो सारी 31 लड़कियां चाहती हैं, पर सिर्फ 15 गर्ल्स ही सेलेक्ट होंगी। तो डिसहार्टन होने वाली कोई बात नहीं है। बस हाँ, दुख होगा क्योंकि हमने बहुत ही मेहनत करी है वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए। और मैं वहां पे सेलेक्ट हो जाऊंगी तो ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात होगी। पर अगर मैं सेलेक्ट नहीं होती तो भी दिल दुखने वाली, थोड़ा बुरा लगेगा, पर दिल नहीं टूटेगा क्योंकि हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। और ये मिस इंडिया फैमिली हमारी ऑलरेडी बन चुकी है। मुझे ऑल ओवर इंडिया में मेरी सिस्टर्स हैं, तो मैं तो कहीं भी आराम से अब जा सकती हूँ और मैं कह सकती हूँ यस, मिजोरम, आई हैव माई सिस्टर देयर, ओके, आई हैव माई सिस्टर इन महाराष्ट्र, एंड दिस प्लेटफॉर्म गिव्स यू अ लॉट। और अभी जब ये ऑनलाइन है तो इतना सारा प्यार देखने को मिल रहा है हमें। और जब ये ऑफलाइन होगा, जब मैं 15 में सेलेक्ट हो जाऊंगी, तो फिर ऑल ओवर इंडिया से बहुत सारा हमें सपोर्ट मिलेगा।
Of
तो यस।
course. So, Rupali, I want to know that, see, there's a lot of competition, right? So,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
mean, there are 31 girls. So, do you feel that, do you feel a little more competitive at times? Do you feel like you are doubting yourself? आपको कभी ऐसे लगता है कि, maybe I'm not good enough, मुझे ऐसे feelings, because it's a competition at the end of the day, it's a passion, so it's absolutely fine, it's normal to get these thoughts.
Yeah.
So do you feel that way? And if you do, then how do you cope up with those kind of thoughts that you get?
हमेशा ये जब हमारा सेशंस चलता है और सभी कुछ हमें टास्क मिलते हैं करने को, और अब तो हमारा सब कॉन्टेस्ट भी हो रहा है, तो या कंपटीशन वाली फीलिंग आती है। पर इससे कभी नेगेटिविटी नहीं आती हमारे अंदर, क्योंकि आई एम अ पर्सन हु इज़ वेरी पॉजिटिव। और मैं बचपन से ही हमेशा मेडिटेशन में रही हूँ, तो मैं इजीली कोप अप कर लेती हूँ। और मैं नेगेटिविटी को अपने पॉजिटिविटी के ऊपर आने नहीं देती। तो मैं हमेशा बैलेंस कर लेती हूँ। और कंपटीशन की बात रही तो वो तो है ही। और जब ऐसा कुछ अभी तक हुआ नहीं है हमारे साथ, बिकॉज हम लोग बहुत ही फ्रेंडली हैं, सारी गर्ल्स जो हैं, हम लोग वी आर लाइक सिस्टर्स। ये भले ही ये वर्चुअल पैजेंट है, पर फिर भी एक कनेक्शन होता है ना, वो ऑलरेडी हम लोग बिल्ड कर चुके हैं। तो इट्स वेरी वेरी वी आर वेरी फेमिलियर विद ईच अदर, और इट्स वेरी पॉजिटिव एनवायरमेंट हियर।
That's really nice. So since you have mentioned about sub-contests, are you excited for the results?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Yeah. When is it? I mean, I don't know when is it exactly. Do you have any idea when is it?
मैम ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे सब कॉन्टेस्ट हो चुके हैं हमारे.
Yeah, yeah.
इनफैक्ट टुडे वी हैड अ बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी मिस आईक्यू सब कॉन्टेस्ट,
Oh,
and few days back we had our Miss Sudoku sub contest.
oh wow, that's so
And
sweet.
yeah.
That must be
So
so much fun to even play, right?
yeah. You know, we had only 5 minutes for 20 questions,
Oh,
and
what are you
it's really
saying?
yes, ma'am, 20 questions for just 5 minutes.
And what were the questions like?
It was like some were from maths and some were from English. So it was a mixture of all because it was to test your IQ. So how you play with your mind and how you answer questions quickly. Some tricky questions in a very fun manner. So I really enjoyed solving all the questions because it reminded me of my school days, like how we used to answer questions if we are having any test and all. So yeah, I really enjoyed the session today.
So, Rupali, I'm sure that you know that there's this one sub contest which is Beauty with a Purpose.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you want to, briefly explain about your project to the audience, because this is one of the best opportunities to really go out there and explain and tell everybody what is it that you're working towards. So, would you like to
Yeah.
do that?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Please go ahead and explain karo अच्छे से. Take your time and let people know that you've been working for whatever the purpose might be. Go ahead.
So this year, our as you know that our Miss India organization uh, is is with Keto Foundation. So this year हम सभी लड़कियों का particular project नहीं है. We are all working for the same cause, cancer patients, children who are suffering from cancer. So we are raising funds for those children. We are all together raising funds.
So how
So,
are
yes.
you raising
हाँ.
funds? That's online on social media?
Yeah, on social media, on online and on offline also. मैं
How do
मेरे
you do
पेरेंट्स के
that?
साथ या तो ऑनलाइन तो वी ऑल नो दैट वी सेंड लिंक्स एंड वी रिक्वेस्ट पीपल प्लीज डोनेट एज मच एज यू कैन. तो वो तो हमने करा ही. जब बात आती है ऑफलाइन की तो मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मेरा बहुत सपोर्ट किया और मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ अपने जो भी फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं उनके पास गई और उन्हें अपना सारा ये जो कॉज है केडर फाउंडेशन का जो भी ग्रेट वर्क वो कर रहे हैं चाइल्ड हेल्थ फाउंडेशन में सभी कैंसर पेशेंट्स के लिए इलाज के लिए जो भी वो लोग फंड रेज कर रहे हैं और उनका और उनके फैमिली का वो लोग ख्याल रखते हैं, उनका जो भी ट्रीटमेंट होता है उसका खर्च उठाते हैं. तो ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. तो बस यही मैं बताती हूँ जाकर अपनी फैमिली जो भी मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ गई तो फैमिली मेम्बर्स को मैंने ये बताया और फिर उन्होंने काफ़ी दिलचस्पी ली और उन्होंने बढ़ चढ़ कर साथ दिया हमारा. और फिर हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स अपने फ्रेंड्स उनके फ्रेंड्स ऐसे करते करते बात आगे सभी एक स्टेप से दूसरे स्टेप ऐसे पहुंचते गए. फिर धीरे धीरे मैं फंड रेज कर रही हूँ अभी. तो पता है मैं पहले कभी मैंने इमेजिन नहीं किया था कि मैं भी इतना फंड रेज कर पाऊंगी और ऑनलाइन ही पर अब इतने लोगों की मदद कर पाऊंगी. तो ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैं ये कर पाई और मेरे जो भी पैसे मैंने इकट्ठा किए हैं उससे किसी की जान बचेगी. तो वो जो दुआ मिलेगी उससे बड़ी बात और क्या है.
हाउ स्वीट. आपकी हिंदी बहुत ही खूबसूरत है टू बिगिन विद. और जिस तरह से आप
Thank you so
एक्सप्लेन
much.
कर रहे हो, यू कम अक्रॉस एज अ वेरी ऑनेस्ट पर्सन. आई मीन आई डोंट नो यू रियली, बट आज जितनी भी बातें कर रहे हैं हम लोग तो आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑनेस्ट और प्योर ऐसे लग रहे हो मुझे. एंड दैट्स सच अ गुड थिंग अबाउट यू. सो आई थिंक यू
Thank
शुड
you so
फील
much,
वेरी प्राउड
ma'am.
ऑफ योरसेल्फ. Yeah, because it's really very tough to be such an innocent and a very honest girl in a pageant for that matter. So I really am proud of you, and I'm really glad the kind of a girl that you are, and I'm really looking forward to kind of a woman that you'll become in the coming days. So,
Yes, ma'am.
and parents की बात जो आपने कही, I can so relate to
हाँ.
that because I remember जब हमें करना था सब funds raised, तब I remember I used to call my parents and they used to
Yeah.
send all those links to all their friends and relatives, and देखते ही देखते ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा funds बढ़ते हैं, and
बिल्कुल.
it takes you by surprise, like how did you even do that? So
Yeah, exactly.
that process is really quite a lot of fun, but I must say our parents, our family, they are really very so supportive at this moments when you really need them. So it's a good feeling. And talking about parents,
Yeah.
have your parents always been supportive for you to step into this field?
Yeah. Always. Like I belong to a typical teaching background. मेरी जो भी पेरेंट्स हैं और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं सभी गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज रहे हैं और टीचर्स रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट
Wow.
मेरे मम्मा पापा भी टीचर्स हैं। तो मॉडलिंग का ख्याल हमारे पूरे खानदान में दूर दूर तक किसी ने नहीं सोचा था। तो जब ये मानुषी शिलर मिस वर्ल्ड बनी, तो मेरे पापा ने खुद मुझे कहा, बिकॉज शी वॉज अ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट व्हेन शी बिकेम मिस वर्ल्ड एंड आई वॉज ऑल्सो प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर मेडिकल्स। सो मेरे पापा ने कहा कि बेटा न्यूज़ फ्लैश हो रहा था, मेडिकल की छात्रा बनी मिस वर्ल्ड। तो पापा ने कहा लुक, इफ़ यू वांट देन सर्च मोर अबाउट दिस, बिकॉज तुम भी मेडिकल की छात्रा हो। तो वो पहला पॉइंट था मेरी लाइफ का, जब आई वुड से कि मेरी लाइफ ने एक 180 डिग्री का टर्न लिया। तो पहला एंगल वो था। उसके बाद मैंने जब सर्च किया तो माई लाइफ चेंज्ड। उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे मुझे इंटरेस्ट आया। फिर आई रियलाइज कि नहीं, यही है जो मुझे करना था। बचपन से वो चाहती, पर कभी एक होता है ना कि आई बिलोंग टू अ टिपिकल मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, तो भाई मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है या इंजीनियर बनना है और एक सिंपल सी लाइफ चाहिए मुझे। पर इसके बाद पर अंदर में वो फीलिंग थी बचपन से ही, जब भी टीवी पे मैं देखती थी सुष्मिता सेन जी को, ऐश्वर्या राय को, लारा दत्ता को, तो बहुत ही वो अट्रैक्ट होती थी मैं कि वाओ। और हमेशा मैं खुद को इमेजिन करती थी वैसे प्लेस पे, पर वो कभी जबान गले तक आता था पर कभी जबान से बाहर नहीं निकलता था कि मुझे भी ये करना है। क्योंकि वो आपके पास वो बैरियर्स होते हैं कि आप मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हो, तो वो आउट ऑफ द बाउंड्री सोचने का वो कभी आता नहीं मन में। पर फिर इसके बाद मैंने सोचा और फिर मुझे रियलाइज हुआ, फिर मेरे मम्मा पापा का भी फुल सपोर्ट रहा और फिर उन्होंने भी बढ़ चढ़कर साथ दिया और फिर सारी जर्नी हमारी शुरू हो गई।
I must say that I'm really very proud of your family, proud of everybody's families for that matter, to be so supportive towards the girls, because parents का साथ काफी मायने लगता है, and
बहुत ज़्यादा।
you know, when you get so much of support, when you get so much of love, you perform even better, you feel even more confident.
एग्जैक्टली।
So it's such a
एंड
beautiful
इनफैक्ट अभी
feeling.
ये जो वर्चुअल पैजेंट है, ये मिस इंडिया का जर्नी बस अभी 31 कंटेस्टेंट्स बस हम लोग नहीं जी रहे, इनफैक्ट हमारे पेरेंट्स भी जी रहे हैं। क्योंकि सुबह सुबह उठना, सारी लाइटिंग्स अरेंज करना, हमारे साथ हमारी मम्मियाँ भी दौड़ रही हैं, हमारी फोटोग्राफर्स हमारी मम्मियाँ हैं अभी। तो इनफैक्ट पता है, मेरी छोटी बहन, मेरी मम्मा, वो सभी भी अब एक्सपर्ट हो गए फोटोशूट्स के मामले में। दे नो मोर देन मी कि कौन सा एंगल सूट करेगा। बेटा पोज लाइक दिस, इट विल लुक मच बेटर। तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा है।
How cute is that?
या
Rupali, before we go ahead, I would want to read a few comments, and people are saying that
या
Rupali, you are the princess of India, and that you are the queen of
ओह,
India, and they are really
थैंक यू
very
सो
proud
मच
of you.
एवरीवन।
They are really very proud of you, of the fact that you are speaking in your mother tongue, and they really are proud that your Hindi is so good. So, I mean, people, you have won everybody already. So, how do you feel?
ओह, मुझे आई एम फीलिंग टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बिकॉज, और रही बात हिंदी की, तो बचपन से ही एक आकर्षण होता है ना, तो हिंदी के प्रति वो आकर्षण मेरा बचपन से ही है। ऐसा नहीं है कि इंग्लिश मुझे पसंद नहीं है, हिंदी मुझे, किसी में ऐसा नहीं है, पर एक झुकाव होता है वो हमेशा से ही मेरा हिंदी की तरफ है। तो कभी भी कुछ होता है तो इंग्लिश के पहले मेरे मन में हिंदी आता है कि मैं हिंदी में ये बोलूं। और बहुत ही एक कॉन्फिडेंस आता है जब मैं हिंदी में बात करती हूँ और फ्लुएंटली हिंदी में बोल पाती हूँ। तो हिंदी बहुत ही दिल के करीब है। और इनफैक्ट वी बिलोंग टू हिंदुस्तान, भारत, हमारी हिंदी मातृभाषा है। तो यस।
आई रिमेम्बर हमारी बैच में मिस मध्य प्रदेश गरिमा यादव थी, तो उनकी हिंदी इतनी खूबसूरत थी कि मतलब वो जब भी बात करती थी तो मुझे तो आधी चीजें समझ में नहीं आती थी, क्योंकि वो इतने भारी भारी शब्द यूज करती थी। तो I mean, really, you literally reminded me of her, and it's such a good feeling, you know. Because you know what happens is, when we were in Bombay, when 30 of us we were staying together, so everybody used to speak in a certain way, and we literally were
या
clones of each other, is what I felt like. So when someone spoke in Hindi, for that matter, it was absolutely eye catchy, you know. It's something so different that people want to know more about you. So it's a
या
great thing that you are sticking to your mother tongue. It's a beautiful feeling to even listen to your voice and to, you know, say, I mean, it's a beautiful feeling. So good job. Just do that.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
All
ओके, सो
right.
नाउ आई वांट टू आस्क यू कि आपकी जर्नी कैसी थी, मतलब जैसे ये तो हमारा ऑनलाइन पैजेंट है, तो फील्ड वर्क उतना हमारा हो नहीं रहा, हम लोग सब कुछ ऑनलाइन घर बैठे बैठे ही कर रहे हैं, जो भी मेहनत कर रहे हैं बस घर के चार कोने में ही कर रहे हैं। पर आप लोगों का ऑफलाइन था, पूरा फील्ड वर्क होता था, तो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
My experience was incredible. If I start talking about this, it will take forever for me to even explain what was that feeling. Um, but to just sort of brief you about it, I must say that I've had the best time possible
Yeah.
during Miss India because it was my dream. I've been dreaming about this since a long time now. So when I finally got to be here in Mumbai with 30 finalists, in itself made me so proud of myself. And there was so much that happened in our journey. We were traveling. We had been to Delhi, Rajasthan, Alibag,
Yeah.
and when you travel with so many girls with this entire team, you just
It's
feel
too much fun.
it's so much fun. We used to wear all these, uh, you know, um,
Designer clothes.
yeah, that's of course there, but the sash and the feeling in itself was
Yeah.
so much bigger than anything else. So I think I've learned a lot from the journey, and it was a lot of hard work that we put in. Our pageant was for 40 days, and
Yeah.
every day felt like a new day. And there was so much learning. There was a lot of friendship. We evolved together. Today, when I see my girls, today when I see a lot of them working so hard, even today we all are in touch, sort of. Not everybody, but I am in touch with a lot of them. So I just feel so proud of them, and the sisterhood bond that you create, it just stays for life. It just stays
Forever.
forever. And with Suman and Shreya, it's something else. The kind of friendship that we have. I'm just so glad that I have friends from the same industry that I belong to, because you definitely need that. So just
Exactly.
go ahead and make a lot of friendships, make a lot of great bonds, because these bonds are going to stay with you forever. Competition बाद में आएगा. I mean, of course, it's
हाँ.
there. You ultimately want to win the crowns, right? But what really matters is the kind of relationships that you develop and what memories that you make. So
Absolutely.
I really want you to experience all of that and make sure that you make the best out of this opportunity. So
Yes.
हमारी journey तो काफी मतलब I don't even know what to say. It was so long, and it was the most memorable one. And I used to write every single day in my diary about the day that I've had. And today also I have like 40 pages in my diary where I've written a lot
Oh.
of things about my journey. So it's incredible what we did and how we did. Today when I think about it, I feel like, how did I even do that? So
Yeah.
yeah, when you
It
look
must
back,
feel
you
very
just
nostalgic, na?
yeah, yes, of course. Now that you girls are, getting crowned, and now the finale is going to happen, it just makes me feel like, oh my God, is this even happening? Because we've reigned for quite a long time, right? So I just felt
Yeah.
like it's going to be with me forever. And now the feeling has started to sort of hit me that now you're going to crown the new girls. So it's a great feeling though. But I really want you to wish uh, all the luck and all the best for
Oh.
the journey that's ahead of you. So anyway, if
Thank
you
you so
have any
much,
more
ma'am.
questions, do go ahead and ask me. We have like another 10-15 minutes. So whatever you have in your mind, you can ask, and just sort of, we can have some fun.
Okay. So right now, after listening to you, I have one question, that as you said that अब आप क्राउन पास करने वाले हो, तो वो क्या है जो आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो आपके सक्सेसर में, बिकॉज यू हैव बिन अ मिस इंडिया. So what are the few and what are the most important qualities which you want to see in your successor in next Miss India?
That's a good question though. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
what I really want to see in her is that I really want her to be very, very confident about herself. I really want her to be herself. I don't want to see a clone of someone else's. And I really want to see an honest girl like you, to be
Oh,
my
thank you, ma'am.
successor. Because it takes a lot to be honest in this the kind of industry that we
Industry.
are in. And honesty is something that will take you really very ahead in your life. And
Yes,
apart
ma'am.
from that, I feel like a girl will evolve with time. She will get better with every single day, and it's okay to be imperfect. But I
Yeah.
really want her to strive for perfection. I really want to see that fire in her, when she'll get crowned. So these are the qualities that I would want to see.
And I really hope that I'll stand on these
Of
qualities.
course, I wish you all the best, and you're doing a great job, I must say. I mean, your personality is really very fun. It's very honest, like I've already said. So it's a good thing that you have all these qualities, because these are the kind of qualities that you look for in a girl who gets crowned. So it's a good thing that you have all these.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So Rupali, if not Miss India, what is it that you would want to become in life? I think I've lost Rupali. Okay. Yeah, tell me. So Rupali, if not Miss India, what is it that you would want to become in life?
Okay, if not Miss India, an actress, because since my childhood, I really look up to actresses. So yes, I want to become an actress. But I will definitely become Miss India, and then after Miss India, I'll become. Just fingers crossed.
All right. So have you made any friends though? I don't know in online pageant how are you doing it, but have you made any good friends in this pageant till now?
All 31 contestants are my best friends.
So if I ask you, give me top 2 of your best friends, then who are they going to be?
Okay, it means 28 girls are going to get angry on me. Okay,
It's
so
okay. There's always that one girl or 2 girls who you are closest to. So who are those 2 girls maybe?
So I remember I was talking to Amrita, and it was around 1 a.m. So yes, अमृता से मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा बातें करती हूँ. तो अमृता कश्यप, Miss India Assam, and then who? Very tough. Tejan Patil.
Oh, okay. She is Miss India who?
Andhra Pradesh. She is Miss India Andhra Pradesh 2020.
Okay. Okay.
And if I ask
See,
you
again,
that
you're being really very honest.
yes, ma'am. So if I ask you that कौन सी वो ओके मैं आपको ऑप्शन देती हूँ 3 कौन सी 3 लड़कियां जो कि आपकी फेवरेट हैं, आपकी फ्रेंड्स हैं अभी भी आपके मिस इंडिया की जर्नी से, आपकी को कंटेस्टेंट्स?
See, I'm best friends with Suman. Like she's
And
like
Shreya?
my soul sister. Yeah,
Oh,
Suman, Shreya, and Sanjana. All 3 of them I'm in
okay.
touch with, and we keep meeting each other during shoots or even otherwise. We go
Yeah.
out to eat. So, yeah, these 3 girls have been in touch with me. So, yeah, of course.
Okay. So आप easily बच गई.
So no, I mean when you win, when you get crowned, you spend a lot of time together.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
So yeah, so me and Suman were roommates. We have lived together for almost 6-7 months. So I just know her better, and that's how even today we are in touch. And yeah, that's how we've become so good, and the bond is just getting better every day. So that's what I told you, right? So it's very
Yes,
important
ma'am.
to have good friends in the same field.
Yeah.
So yeah.
एंड मैंने आपके काफी सारे वीडियोस भी देखे हैं आपके सुमन मैम के. इनफैक्ट वो वीडियो तो मुझे भी जब आपने कहा तो मुझे वही वीडियो बस याद आ रहा है जिसमें आप दोनों का था दिस और दैट. वो सीक्वेंस ड्रेस और
Yeah.
फ्रिल्स वाला.
Right. Yeah, we had
So,
a
yes.
lot of fun shooting those videos together. We all were living together in Dela, and it was a lot of fun. So yeah, the journey has been great. See, once after you win, it even gets better. Even if you don't win, even if you don't make it, there's so much that you take away from the journey, and the kind of a girl
Yeah.
that you become, you are really very proud of that girl. When today I look back in retrospect, when I think about the kind of a girl that I was 2 years ago, I mean, I just feel so proud what I've become today. So it's a beautiful journey. It's a beautiful feeling. It's just that you need to have that perspective, and you need to have that feeling and that interest to learn a lot and to grow with every single day. So if you have that, then it just gets better.
Yeah. In fact, अभी मुझे वही बात याद आ रही है. In the beginning of our Miss India journey, we were told when you enter Miss India, you are a girl, but you exit Miss India, you become a woman. तो ये लाइन है जो कि बिल्कुल स्टिक कर गई है और अभी जब आपने कहा तो बस ये फ्लैश हो मेरी आंखों के सामने.
Right, right. Maybe you might not get to know about it. You might not even feel it when you are living the journey. But when a certain time goes by, when maybe after a
When we
year
look
or
back.
so, yeah, when you will look back in retrospect, you will realize that so much has changed, and you have become such a different girl and a woman, like you said.
Yeah.
And it's a wonderful feeling. You just feel proud of yourself. So I really hope
Absolutely.
that you just keep believing in yourself, even if you don't make it, even if you do make it. Belief is something that you've got to have in yourself, no matter wherever you go. As you've said that you want to become an actress, I must tell you that it's a tough journey because I'm on that road right now. So
Yeah.
even in that journey, you've got to believe in yourself, even if nobody else does. Because there are going to be a lot of people who are going to tell you that maybe you are not good enough, you are not that great, and there's going to be a lot of unwanted voice and unwanted noise. But you've got to
Yeah.
learn to shut yourself from those noises and wear those blinders and just
Yeah.
keep working hard on yourself, because that will just take you ahead in your life.
क्योंकि कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना.
Correct. So Rupali, quickly we'll take another say 2-3 questions and then we shall end this chat, because it's 6:45 and I'm sure you must have something lined up already. So whatever it is, that last thought that you have, something that you want to talk to with the audience, you can just go ahead and do that.
Okay, ma'am. So let's take some questions.
Of
Let's see,
course.
are there some questions or not?
Of course, I'm just trying to. Everybody's just going gaga over you. They are telling you how beautiful you are, how gorgeous you are.
Ma'am, so are you. Ma'am, in fact, I really want to ask you that what's your skincare routine? Because I'm following you since 2019 and you have such a flawless skin. Very glossy skin. So what's the secret of your shine?
Um, uh, a lot of the girls have asked me this for sure.
Yeah.
See, Rupali, what I feel like is that your consistency really matters with whatever it is that you do with your skin, whether you put your moisturizer or the way that you wash your face. You have to be consistent. Just एक दो दिन किया, then तीसरे दिन बोर हो गए, ऐसे करोगे तो कभी
नहीं होता.
So since now that I've been shooting so much, I've been traveling a lot. So I just take a lot of care of my health, my skin, everything that you take, whether it's food or water, everything matters. So just keep a check on that and follow CTM, cleansing, toning,
Cleansing, toning, moisturizing.
Exactly. So if you follow that, if you do that twice a day, then yeah, of course it will help you. So there's this one question that somebody has asked. They have asked me to ask you, how different are you from the other contestants?
Okay. So, हर एक इंसान अपने अपनी जगह बहुत ही अलग होता है और मैं दूसरों के बारे में तो नहीं जानती कि उनका क्या खासियत है, उनका व्यक्तित्व कैसा है, पर मैं मेरे व्यक्तित्व के बारे में जानती हूँ. मैं जानती हूँ कि मैं कैसी हूँ, तो मैं दूसरों के बारे में तो नहीं, पर मैं अपने बारे में जरूर कह सकती हूँ. मैं बस ये कहूंगी कि नेवर गिविंग अप एटीट्यूड है जो कि मुझ में हमेशा से रहा है. मैं अगर ठान लेती हूँ किसी चीज को कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये करना है, तो मैं अपना जी जान लगा देती हूँ उस चीज में. मैं ये नहीं सोचती कि आउटकम क्या होगा, क्या मैं अपने गोल तक पहुंचने के लिए जितना कठिन परिश्रम मुझे करना पड़े मैं डाल देती हूँ. बस अगर मुझे अचीव करना है तो मेरा गोल, और जब तक आप किसी को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा रहे हैं और आप खुद के लिए, अपनी चाह के लिए, अपने लक्ष्य की ओर अग्रसर है, तो कोई आपको रोक नहीं सकता. आप अपने लक्ष्य को जरूर हासिल करेंगे. तो ये नेवर गिविंग अप एटीट्यूड है मुझ में, जो हमेशा से रहा है, जो कि मैं सोचती हूँ मुझे सारे लोगों से अलग करता है.
That's a good answer. I feel like you have really put in a lot of efforts to prepare your Q&A. So you are so good in these questions, which is a great thing. I must say that it really helps you if you keep rehearsing, if you keep practicing, if you know what you want to say when a certain question is asked to you, it really helps and it really takes you ahead. So it's a good thing
So,
though.
तो इससे मुझे याद है कि मुझे आपसे ये क्वेश्चन भी पूछना चाहिए। जैसे कि अभी हमारा इंटरव्यू होने वाला है, जैसे कि आप जानती हैं पर्सनल इंटरव्यूज, उसके बाद टॉप 15 का सिलेक्शन होगा। तो सिंस वी आर नॉट गेटिंग टू सी इन पर्सन, वी आर नॉट गेटिंग टू सी आवर जजेस इन पर्सन, तो हमें क्या क्या वो चीजें जो हमें अपने दिमाग में रखनी चाहिए और हमें क्या क्या करना चाहिए सो दैट परफॉर्मेंस विल बी बेटर इन आवर पर्सनल इंटरव्यू?
When you asked me about the personal interview, I started thinking about my personal interview, and it was hilarious. I was so happy
Okay.
after the interview because I just felt like I've made it because it was that good. And
Wow.
it's see, with online, I don't know how it's going to feel like, but in our case, we were standing outside that room in the office, and it was such a feeling, there were butterflies in our stomach, and we didn't know who all are going to be inside, and there were so many panelists, and then the three of us. Oh my god, it was crazy. Initially, I felt a little nervous, but once after I entered the room, I left all the nervousness behind and I completely focused on myself. And that's exactly what you need to do. I'm hoping that maybe you girls are not going to be in groups, but if you are in a group of 3, then make sure that you don't focus on someone else, on the way that she's answering, on the kind of content that she's saying. Just focus on yourself and just make sure that this is it what I'm going to say nevertheless. कभी कभी क्या होता है, कुछ दूसरी लड़की कुछ और बोल देती है, तो आपका माइंड ना वो साइड पे चला जाता है, and you feel like okay, maybe she's right and maybe even I should answer that way. But no, it doesn't work. It's always better to have your own perspective, your own opinion. So always stick to that and make sure that you know about yourself absolutely, because that's very important. आधी questions के answers तो उधर ही मिलेंगे if you absolutely know what you want and what are you as a person. So do that. And online though, I think it will be a lot of fun to interview you girls. But just make sure that you're absolutely confident, because whether it's online or offline, confidence will take you ahead. And yeah, just be absolutely prepared. If you are really well read, if you are well rehearsed, if you know what you're going to say, then you will feel confident about yourself. So just practice as much as you can. You still have some time, so you can do that. My interview lasted for 1 hour 30 minutes, I remember, and yeah, it was a long process.
Oh God.
I think I was the only one talking in that interview, but it was a lot of fun. That interview made it was after I think it was 2-3 days before our finale, and it just made me so happy, and I felt like I'm gonna make it, because that interview, I sort of left my mark in that interview round. I was really excited about the interview round because I had prepared a lot, and I was really looking forward to presenting myself in front of the judges. So that's what I'm saying. If you practice more and don't focus who the judges are, okay, that's the first thing that you should not do. Don't keep researching. Don't be like, oh my God, she's going to be there. Oh my God, he's going to be there. No, don't do that. Everybody is just people at the end of the day. So don't get affected that these such great people are there. Of course, you might get affected, but just make sure that you are confident and relaxed and know what you're going to say. Just be absolutely calm, and that is your one big opportunity to make it or break it. So make sure that you are ready for that, So, and just have fun, in the interview also. Because if even the judges see the fun side of you, if they know that you are, a good girl, an honest one, then they will be absolutely ready to interact with you even more. So just do that. I hope I've answered to your question.
Yes,
because I just went back and I started thinking about my interview round, and it was the best one. I always take that with me. So, yeah.
You completely answered my question.
All right. So, Rupali,
and you gave me lots of tips, and I'm really thankful to you.
Yeah, that's so sweet. Always there for you girls. I'm really very happy that you girls are doing so great, such a great job. I keep checking Miss India stories every now and then, and everybody's putting in a lot of efforts. So it's a great feeling to see that the girls are so passionate.
Yeah,
All right, Rupali,
because we
before we
all
end
are
this,
striving for the one crown.
right.
So yeah.
All right, Rupali, since before we end this chat, I would want you to, just go ahead and maybe say some few lines to the audience who have been here with us throughout the live session. So just go ahead and do that.
Okay. So again, I would like to introduce myself again. Hello everyone, I'm Rupali Bhushan, your VLCC from the Miss India Jharkhand 2020. आप सभी का इतना सारा प्यार बरसाने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. हमारे साथ हमारी लाइफ में जुड़ने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. इसी तरह अपना प्यार बरसाते रहें और हम सभी कोशिश करेंगे कि हमेशा आप सभी की आशाओं पे खड़े उतरें और मैं आप सभी से वादा करती हूँ मैं आप सभी को प्राउड फील कराऊं. इसी तरह अपना आशीर्वाद मेरे पे बरसाते रहें और इसी तरह हमारा साथ दे रहे. Thank you so much everyone for joining in. And thank you so much ma'am for hosting.
Thank you. It's been lovely interacting with you, Rupali, and I hope to see you on the other side soon. And I really hope that you get to come to Bombay, and it will be a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
I wish you all the best. Keep working hard on
Thank you
yourself.
so much, ma'am.
All right, Rupali, I'll see you. Bye. Have a great day ahead if you have. Otherwise, just have a great journey ahead from tomorrow.
Hoping to see you soon.
Hoping to see you soon. Bye, Rupali. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, everyone.
All right, guys, that was Rupali Bhushan with us, and I must say that she's such a lovely girl. She comes across as a very honest and a very hardworking girl. And I hope that you guys keep supporting and keep loving each and every contestant out there because they all have been putting in a lot of efforts. The organization has been putting in a lot of efforts, and it takes a lot to even organize an online digital pageant. So I really hope that you all have been supporting every single contestant, and I hope that you guys keep supporting everybody and no negative comments. Just know that every girl is working really very hard. So just be kind and give all the love and power to each one of them. I am super excited to see who the successor is going to be, and I'm really looking forward to the finale night. And thank you so much, guys, for watching the two of us, for being here for the fun conversation that we had. I hope it was really insightful for you all. And thank you so much for joining in once again, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Take care, guys. See you soon.